India, myself Shwaman, the fitness influencer, the fitness motivator moving throughout India. So today we have come down to the 19th city, Lucknow, with the campaign, the biggest fitness campaign of India, the largest fitness campaign of India, Jago India, Jago Fitness Campaign. So today we have come down to the Janeshwar Mishra Park, a very famous park of Lucknow. And yes, of the age of 50, 60, 70, such a beautiful ladies, they're doing workout. They want to say you throughout India, start doing exercising, keep yourself fit, keep yourself healthy now.
जॉलाइन, ये जॉलाइन जितनी क्लियर हो उतनी आप खूबसूरत लोगे। फोटोजेनिक हो। ये जॉलाइन कैसे करो? इतनी अंगुली यहाँ पे रखिए, देखिए क्या करो मैं? यहाँ देखो कर रही है। 4, 5, नीचे 6, 7, इस हड्डी को निकालना है। 7, 8, 9, 10, रिपीट। ठीक है, साइड 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stop it.